In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add superscript and subscript characters in Google Sheets. You might have experienced the limitation of not being able to directly input these kinds of characters within the platform. But don't worry, there is a workaround that will allow you to incorporate them effectively. Although Google Sheets does not offer a direct feature for inserting superscripts or subscripts, we can use a couple of simple methods to achieve the desired effect. The first method involves copying the superscript or subscript character from the internet. There are numerous online resources that offer an array of these characters which you can easily copy and paste into your Google Sheets document. To do this, simply search online for superscript and subscript characters, and you'll find several sources that have the necessary characters available. Once you find a character you need, highlight it, copy it, and then navigate back to your Google Sheet where you can paste it at your desired location. This approach is straightforward and saves time, particularly if you're working with familiar characters or ones used less frequently. The second method is suitable for users on Windows operating systems. It involves using the built-in symbols feature, which provides access to a variety of special characters, including superscripts and subscripts. To access this, hold down the Windows key on your keyboard and press the semicolon key simultaneously. This keyboard shortcut will open the emoji and symbol panel on your screen, allowing you to select from numerous available symbols. Look through the panel to find the character you need, whether it is a superscript or subscript, and select it. Once selected, the character will insert directly into your current active text box within Google Sheets. This Windows-specific method is handy because you won't need to navigate away from your document when finding the necessary characters. It's direct and great for users who work frequently with superscript or subscript symbols and appreciate an integrated solution. Both methods are excellent ways to bypass the current limitation within Google Sheets and allow you to continue using the platform efficiently without switching to alternative applications or resorting to complex formatting tricks. By copying characters online or utilizing the Windows Symbols panel, you can add both superscripts and subscripts as needed in your documents. Remember, these are not just technical tweaks, but a practical enhancement to your Google Sheets capabilities, enhancing how you present information and manage data. So next time you're faced with the challenge of integrating these characters within your spreadsheets, you'll know exactly what to do. Feel free to try both methods and see which one fits your workflow best. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide made working in Google Sheets a little bit easier for you.